Packing the Smart Woodshop for the last time. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Smart Woodshop and the series of smart workbenches. If you want to get yourself a set of plans to build any of these for you, you can click on the link right at the end of the video or in the description down below. That's right, packing the Smart Woodshop for the last time. Well, not for the last time that I'll be using it, but for the last time that I'll be using it in this awesome 4,000 foot shop I've had for the past 7 years. Recorded a lot of videos here. Going to be sad to leave it for the last time, but moving on to new and more exciting things. Now you will see a couple of more videos where I finished a couple of projects in this shop, and I will get those videos edited and up. But as you see this video, this is after all that's done, and I'm packing it away. Now I do normally have space in the aisleway for my two large rolling toolboxes, one for paint, one for tile. I went ahead and took those over to the storage unit to keep the aisleway a little more clear so that I could hold on to a few pieces of this wonderful Moreland plywood I didn't want to give up. Jumped up on top here to just make sure I had my wall jacks and ladders and planks all strapped down and ready to go. And my tug, my trailer valet, has been so handy getting in and out of this garage and on the job sites, and as you will see, putting it in the storage unit. So as you're watching this, I've already been on the road and gone from here over 6 weeks. I've been to Spain and Portugal and Morocco, and got back and hit the road and hit the AWFS 2019 show in Vegas. And now I'm sitting in an Airbnb checking out a city, looking for a place to buy a fixer that we can live in and work on and do all kind of cool projects, kitchen, installing cabinets and countertops and framing walls and doing all kind of fun stuff. So that will be upcoming once I find the place. Here I just wanted to give you a last little look that after I took it down the driveway and down a county road and out on a state road, everything was right where I put it. Not a single thing even moved. So it just goes to prove you don't need to tie things down. So there it is, packed away. Thanks for dropping in to the Smart Woodshop on the road. Have a good day.